How to generate images in Perplexity AI. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Perplexity AI and make sure that you are signed in. Now, in the text box you see there, go ahead and enter your prompt, and while entering the prompt, make sure to enter the prompt in a way that is very descriptive and explanatory. Now, once entered, tap on the Save button, and with this, your image will begin to generate. Make sure that in order to generate a proper image for your prompt, you will need a Pro or a Max subscription in order to be able to generate image in Perplexity with totally according. So, this is how you can generate images in Perplexity AI. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.